with you.
Hey, so glad you came back. Hey, today it's a nice day. You know, it's just under 100 degrees. You know, I wanted a nice little sandwich, little vibrant sandwich. So today I'm making BLTs. Okay, you're only gonna see mine because the peanut gallery is not in the house right now, and I'm not gonna wait for them right now. I'm gonna make mine. I'll make theirs later, but you'll see how I like mine. It's delicious. I know you're gonna enjoy it. Look at this. Let me hold the sauce. Look at this. Isn't that nice? Let me have a bite. Can't wait for this. Just watching it being cooked is just, oh. Woo! Mmm. Tomato, onion. I have a lemon dill mayo on here too. I don't show you how to make that, but if you want to know how to make it, let me know. You know, I'll put another video together for you, show you how to do it. I took a bite. I'm committed now. I gotta go eat. See you guys next time. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. Alright, so today I'm going to be using something that, believe it or not, you've seen this in every one of my videos that I've made. I'm almost positive. At least 99% of them. But you never knew what it was. This guy right here. Yeah, I'm going to pull that out. It's my panini press. Now I mentioned before when I made like the Monte Cristo sandwiches, I did have a panini press. But yeah, it's just been sitting there. It's all mad, but today we're going to use it. Let me go ahead and pull it down so we can get started. So you know we gotta have tomatoes. Got my little knife here. This guy is like super sharp. Gotta be careful with this guy. You know, when I first was using it, I wasn't ready for it, and I almost paid the price. So you gotta be careful with it. This was some nice, decent slices. You know, get rid of the little end pieces there. Yeah, you can cut these as thick or as thin as you want. I mean, after all, it's a BLT, right? So you want to have the tomatoes be present, right? Let me get one more off here. Let me watch my fingers. Good thing this knife is sharp, I can tell you that. Okay. These go in. Now I'm using the big steak tomatoes. Now let's do the onion. Now I wanted some slices of red onion. Okay. So I got this bad boy. God, this joke is huge. No problem for this knife though. Cut the end off. Cut the root off. Don't need that. Peel the skin away. Right? Now we just want some really, really thin slices. And again, be careful. You want a sharp knife for this. So because you're using a sharp knife, watch your fingers. Right? That's all I need. Because Mama Shra is not going to have any onions at all. So I don't have to worry about that. It's just going to be me. Right? The bacon's already done, so let's get everything lined up. So we have our bread here, we have our bacon. At the top we have our red onion, we have our beefsteak tomatoes, We have our dill pickle chips, right? At the top here, we have our red leaf lettuce. We have our lemon dill mayo that I put together. And here we have our rocket. Now, if you're inside the United States, which you probably are if you're watching this, it's called arugula, okay? It's a Mediterranean salad, so Mediterranean lettuce, if you will. But outside the United States, it's called rocket, but it's arugula, okay? Let's get this put together. Okay, let's start putting the sandwiches together now. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put some of the mayo on both sides, spread it around. You can be as generous as you want or stingy as you want. It's your sandwich. Okay, now I'm going to put some tomato in this end. Okay, I'm going to put some onion. Try to go like this. There we go. Onion on it. All right, I'm going to put some more rocket or arugula on this part here. I like the arugula because it has like a peppery-ish kind of taste to it. I like that. Okay. Now we're going to put some of our pickle on it. Like the pickle. Like to put the pickle on it. Okay, now we're going to add our bacon. Put as much bacon as you like on it. Now I'm going with 3 pieces of bacon that I'm going to be cutting up here. Well, I'm breaking it in half, actually. Yep, get it on there. And now, our red leaf lettuce. Get it on there nice. Again, you can put as much on it as you like. Okay, and I'm going to top it. Now this guy is almost done. It's about ready for the press. Okay, let's get the next one going. Now on this one, I'm going to put some salt and pepper on it. A little shake of salt and pepper. You know what, as a matter of fact, I'm going to put on this one too. I'm going to salt and pepper on there. Let's get the seasonings going. Now let's get the panini press ready. Oh, lost some bacon. Put it back. Let's get the press ready. So now while the press is heating up, what I want to do is just take some butter, just some spreadable butter, just spread it across the top. Okay? And we're going to be putting this side down first. Okay? Just a thin layer of butter. You know, you don't want to get crazy with it. And once we put it on the press, we're going to butter the opposite side. And then we're going to close the press on it. Okay, alright, so the panini press is ready now. So we're going to take our sandwiches, turn them upside down. Okay. Now we're going to butter the other side. Butter. Okay. A little bit of butter. And then we're going to close this. And it's going to toast both sides while it's pressing it at the same time. Give this a couple minutes and we'll be back. Alright, it's been about 4 minutes. There we go. We're going to pull these guys out. We're going to pull these guys out. Take this guy here. That down. This guy down. Let's get these plated up. Alright, let's go and get these guys cut up here and plated. Take this guy here. Take my sushi knife. Yes, I know I'm using a sushi knife because it's sharp. It's one of the sharpest knives I got. Let's get this plated up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh-wee. You have to get the additional sauce. There we go. Let's see what we got. Alright, here we are. The ultimate BLT, my way. Now, Mama Shra, when she has hers, it doesn't have the tomatoes or the onions on it, but she puts cheese on it, which is cool too, right? But this is what I like. Oh, it's so, I can't explain it in words. My mouth all watering. Hey, if you like this, hey, try it out for yourself, and then let me know what you think, right? If you're not already subscribed, hey, hit the subscribe button. Hey, hit that bell, right? Also, hit me up on Instagram, because I try to put on there upcoming recipes, videos I'm going to display for you guys. And if you can, of course, share me out. That being said, this is Shrashira. I am out because I am about to devour this. I am so hungry. And this is just one of two. I got another one over there percolating, waiting for me. Thanks for watching.